Hello and welcome to my channel Spare Change. My name is Davey Irizarry, owner of K&D Handyman Services in Atlanta, Georgia. Why shouldn't you care what your competition is charging? It comes down to these simple things. Customer experience. My customers know when they call K&D Handyman Services, we're going to arrive at least 15 minutes early. We're going to call the day before to confirm the time, review the scope of the work, and to set the standards or the experience that the customer is going to have. Once we get there, we ensure that each of all my employees are well dressed, their clothes are cleaned, they smell good, and that they have all the material that is needed to complete the job, that we don't have to go back and forth to the big box stores, that we are prepared, that we have the proper tools that is needed to complete the job, that we're not wasting the customer's time. My customers know that the experience that they're going to get with K&D Handyman Services is going to go over the top. They know that the service that they get from my company is superb. Just to share our pricing, because I'm not ashamed to say it. My hourly wage, if we broke it down to hourly, we do not do hourly wage, we do per job or per project. It comes out to $165 an hour. That might seem a lot, but my customers are willing to invest that money in their home because of the experience that they're going to have. It's like taking Spirit or taking Delta. I and my company strive to be the best and do the best. Just to share a job that I did on Friday. I replaced a ceiling fan. Average ceiling fan, average height. Average price here in Atlanta, Georgia, to replace a ceiling fan is $125 to $145 an hour. I charge $250, and I get that every time without a problem. Why? Because it's about customer experience. That's why I don't care, and you shouldn't either, what your competition is charging. Please hit that subscribe button and that thumbs up, and please leave me a comment of how much your hourly wage is in your area. Thank you.